world must wake up.
Climate summit in Glasgow. The British Prime Minister Boris Johnson urged world leaders today.
L'accélération sans précédent du changement climatique est en marche depuis la fin du XXe
The
siècle.
climate crisis is not our fight alone, it's a global fight.
We see the warning signs in every continent and region.
It is the biggest problem humanity has faced ever.
Dilaw kurariyada yang lauli ara masulo zaire tapi ara hanala na hanyari ara
But the fire is spreading at great speed. Bas! Allah'ım ya Rabbim yardım et. Allah'ım yardım et. Allah'ım yardım et. Allah'ım yardım et. Arkadan gelenlere yardım et.
More evacuations are underway this morning as firefighters try to contain a fast-moving wildfire.
I can't say just go easy now. Easy. The car's heating up. It's going to explode. Jesus, God, help us.
It's a terrifying moment. A mother is trapped in her car with her 4 kids while huge chunks of hail tumble down on them. She does her best to calm them down.
Oh, you're okay. It's okay.
Go!
Just pull over, Jordy.
അപ്പോൾ ഒത്തിരി നഷ്ടം വീടെല്ലാം പോയി കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ പോയി അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ വന്നു ആ പൊട്ടി വന്ന വെള്ളം ഞങ്ങളുടെയൊക്കെ വീട്ടിൽ കൂടെ
People feel that their workplace is changing before their eyes.
The tragedy is, this is not a movie. And the clock is ticking to the furious rhythm
It is a global challenge. We need to act. We feel the urgency.
The longer we fail to act, the worse it gets, and the higher the price when we are eventually forced by catastrophe to act.
This is the last chance.
Biz işitiriz çok doğru laflar ama o laflar kurtardı mı bizi klimatın değişmesinden? Bu laflar var mı incik kurtarsınlar ekoloji yönünden? Bu laflar ekolojiye değişilmesine yardım edecekler mi? Dünyamız hızlı yıkılır ama ne olacak öte doğru? Var mı nice biz bir şey değiştirelim? Soru şangısı hepsimizi havezlendirdi bir şey yapma. Bugünkü günde bu eferde tarih oluşunu izleriz. Halklar arası online konferansiya global krizisi doğruluk vakıdı. 100 dilde senkron çevrilmesi. Halklar arası projekti platformasında yaratıcı toplumu 180 devletten volontörlerin yardımından hazırlandı. Bu konferansiya geleceği diiştirecek. Yerlim herkes insan görerseydi.